Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular models, the Nixod portable washing machine and the Grinchat portable washing machine. Both machines are designed for small loads and compact living spaces, making them ideal for apartments, dormitories, and hotels. We'll dive into their features, pricing, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. Let's start with the price comparison. The Nixod portable washing machine is priced at $78, while the Grinchat model is more budget-friendly at just $59. This makes the Grinchat a more appealing option for those looking to save money without sacrificing functionality. Next, let's look at the weight of these machines. The Nixod weighs 2.86 kilograms, while the Grinchat is lighter at 2.1 kilograms. This difference in weight can make a significant impact on portability, especially for those who need to move their washing machine frequently. Finally, let's compare the features. The Nixod comes with a built-in spin basket, which allows for faster drying of your clothes. In contrast, the Grinchat does not include a spin basket, which may affect the drying efficiency. Both machines have multiple wash timer options, but the inclusion of the spin basket gives the Nixod a slight edge in functionality. In conclusion, both the Nixod and Grinchat portable washing machines offer great features for compact living. The Nixod is ideal for those who prioritize drying efficiency with its spin basket, while the Grinchat is perfect for budget-conscious consumers looking for a lightweight option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.